Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with room temperature butter because it traps air and yields a light frosting. Cream it on low then medium speed for about 2 minutes until pale. Once done, add 1/3 of the sifted powdered sugar and mix to combine, then add vanilla. You add sugar in stages to avoid a gritty texture and to control sweetness while maintaining structure. Make sure to scrape the bowl so every bit of butter is incorporated for an even base. You continue by alternating powdered sugar and small amounts of milk. This is how you dial in body and spreadability. Mix on medium and pause to test consistency. If it looks grainy, beat a bit longer. If too stiff, add 1/2 teaspoon milk at a time. Once you reach a pipeable texture, add color or flavor. Use gel dye sparingly to avoid thinning. Make sure to scrape the sides frequently because unmixed pockets will change the final. You load a piping bag and practice a test swirl on a plate so you can adjust pressure and tip angle. Pipe with steady pressure for consistent results. Once done, chill briefly to firm the shape, then return to room temp if too hard before serving. If something goes wrong, too thin or runny, add powdered sugar in small increments. If too stiff, whisk in a teaspoon of milk. Make sure to re-whip after chilling to restore lightness and smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.